बैड प्लैनेट हो और वो उच्च का हो, तो आप मिस्ड अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं, अपॉर्चुनिटी भी नहीं मिलेगी आपको, राइट? सो
Okay.
रिमेंबर, गेटिंग समथिंग, मिस्ड अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड अपॉर्चुनिटी, दीज आर थ्री थिंग्स. हमें दशा लॉर्ड की प्लेसमेंट भी देखनी पड़ती है. इज ही सिटिंग इन अ नाइस हाउस, 1 4 5 7 9 10, अच्छे रिजल्ट मिलेंगे. 6 8 12 में बैठा हो, मुश्किल रिजल्ट मिलेंगे. अगर 3 6 10 और 11 में हो, देन अच्छे प्लैनेट रिजल्ट्स नहीं देते, बुरे प्लैनेट्स बेटर रिजल्ट देते हैं, उल्टा हो जाता है. ओके. एंड फाइनली वी स्पोक अबाउट, यू नो, जो जो दशा लॉर्ड है, इनकी लॉर्डशिप्स क्या है. बिकॉज दशा में वो सिर्फ रिजल्ट देंगे जिस घर के मालिक हैं. विद दैट वी देन went on to talk a little about transits, gochar, if you remember. One thing listeners have to remember, दशा इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं होती, अंतर दशा ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. सो अगर आपकी दशा जुपिटर की हो और साथ में उसके अंदर सन हो, इट इज़ कंसिडर्ड गुड, क्योंकि सन के लिए जुपिटर इज अ फ्रेंड. ओके.
Mm-hmm.
अगर मून की दशा चल रही हो, देन मून के अंदर जो दशा अंतर दशा है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मून मर्क्यूरी इज कंसिडर्ड बैड, क्योंकि मर्क्यूरी के लिए मून इज नॉट अ फ्रेंड. ओके. डोंट
Mm-hmm.
कंफ्यूज दैट विथ मून के लिए मर्क्यूरी इज अ फ्रेंड. नो, मर्क्यूरी के लिए मून इज एन एनिमी. दशा खराब जाएगी. दैट वे
Okay.
यू आर लकी व्हेन यू हैव जुपिटर दशा, बिकॉज जुपिटर का तो कोई एनिमी नहीं है.
Right.
एनी अदर दशा अप्स एंड डाउन्स रहती हैं लाइफ में. ओके.
We have a caller. Can we quickly take a call?
श्योर.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Dr. Saket Bhatia, good afternoon. How are you?
Wonderful. How are you doing?
I'm good. I just wanted to ask you, I don't know if it's like a question related, but how would, if I give you my date of birth and time, is there Rashi different than my name?
No. See, what happens is when you are born, your moon is sitting in a zodiac sign. Okay. That zodiac sign gives us your nakshatra. And that pada
Okay.
in which it is sitting tells us what your starting alphabet should be. So Rashi will tell us
Oh,
your name, at least the starting alphabet, but it is not usually followed.
so अगर मेरा date of, so मेरी राशि जो मेरे नाम से है, like I'm a Virgo, that is my Rashi?
Give me your date of birth.
September 8th, 1971,
Your time of
Firozpur,
birth.
India,
Okay.
4:20 a.m.
4:20 a.m. Okay.
4:20, yeah, 4:20 a.m. 420.
420. And this is Firozpur, right?
In Punjab, yes.
Yeah, Firozpur in Punjab. So let's see what your kundali turns out to be. So आपकी कुंडली के हिसाब से, you said your moon is sitting in Aries actually. September 8th,
Right. So
1970.
71. नहीं, वही मैं पूछना चाह रही थी that like normally, because I hear I don't call, but I do hear when I'm driving, I hear your conversation. It's very interesting. So
Thank you.
मैं ये I don't know, I keep thinking until yesterday that I'm a Virgo because I'm born in September, right? But then
Okay.
we had to buy a house, and then they said, well, somehow this south-facing house I'm getting. So somebody was saying, oh, you need to see what Rashi are you, and I'm like, I'm a Virgo, and she's like, no, it is based on your date of birth and time, which you just said I'm Aries.
So no, I think there is some confusion.
Okay.
Your
Okay.
कल ही एक आर्टिकल पब्लिश हुआ था न्यूयॉर्क टाइम्स में, which said your zodiac sign might be off. You are saying you're Virgo because your sun is placed in Virgo in Western astrology. Western astrology does not take into account the 23-degree tilt
Okay.
of the earth, the wobble of the earth, or the fact that the earth goes around the sun in an elliptical orbit. Vedic astrology mein, you are not a Virgo, you're a Leo, you're Simb.
I'm a
You're not Simb Lagan,
Leo
you're
or
not Simb
Aries.
Rashi. No, you are
Maybe
your
Rashi.
sun. Rashi is where moon is placed. It has nothing to do with sun. Your Rashi is Mesh Rashi.
Mesh Rashi.
Your Rashi is Mesh
And what-
Rashi. Your
Uh-huh.
ascendant is Kark Lagan. Your nakshatra is Ashwini Nakshatra, and you are born in Ketupada. Your name can start with the word C. That's what it's supposed to be.
Ah.
Okay. Your Mars is
Oh, I
exalted. You do not need a south facing house. That is another thing you need. You do not need it. Okay. इस
I know,
कुंडली के
but I
हिसाब से
have
you
it.
don't need that. Okay.
I have it already. That's the problem.
You should have called.
Oh,
For you, what the house you really need is more of a west facing house. Would be better for you because Saturn is कुंडली में weak है. नवंश में भी weak है,
that's
यहाँ भी weak है. Okay.
okay. I should have looked for that. Okay.
It's okay. No
Okay,
worries. Good luck.
I'll call for the remedies. No, I'll call for the remedies.
Learn to live your life. Enjoy your house. Okay. Good luck.
Okay. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So listeners who are tuned in, आप भी कर सकते हैं call if you have any question regarding astrology, numerology या वास्तु. Dr. Saket Bhatia हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं and the number to studio line is once again 510-770-1550. Dr. Saket Bhatia has a PhD in astrology and is a certified numerologist. आप connect कीजिए उनके साथ and when you're calling, do not forget to mention your date, time and place of birth. So we were talking about Dasha. Is a maturation of a planet important in Dasha analysis? आप हमेशा बात करते हैं कि planet कब mature हो रहा है. तो जब आप दशा analyze करते हैं, then also the maturation is important?
Very important. I have lots of young people coming to me in their 30s and saying, I feel very spiritual.
Okay.
Okay. I have many people in their 20s saying, मुझे life में बहुत कुछ achieve करना है. Then we have to see कि दशा आई है कि नहीं. And guess what? I see केतु दशा जो spirituality detachment की दशा है वो आ गई है. Then sometimes I see Rahu dasha, which is expansion. वो आ गई है. Then question is, why are these people not doing anything, Vedika? Why is this 20-year-old boy not going and starting his company, or this 30-year-old woman not going and becoming a sannyasi? Because the planet is telling
hasn't
you to do
matured.
something, it hasn't matured. It won't give you the
Right.
courage to do it. Maturation is very important in dasha because ये indicate करता है कि planet's full potential and promise results. When will they be delivered in life?
Mhm.
A mature planet is better जब उसकी दशा आ रही है या उसकी दशा आएगी. But a dasha which has come and the planet is still not mature is going to give you uneasiness. It's going to give you desires. I want to do it. But no. Stability, hard work, determination comes at 36 because that is when Saturn sets in.
Right.
Right? Jupiter 16 पे आता है जब तुमको wisdom आ जाती है थोड़ी कि हमें life में ये path लेनी है. I want to become a doctor, an engineer, lawyer, a nurse. I want to get into transportation. So why it is so important? Because हम दशा तो देखते हैं. But at the same time, अगर कोई पैदा हुआ बच्चे की Venus की दशा आ गई, he's not getting married, he or she.
Right.
So maturation is important because they tell us how you're going to, what you're going to do, whether the planet is mature or not. Better management of challenges. How to cope with certain issues that will come in your life. अगर दशा अच्छी है और planet बुरा है ना,
Mhm.
तो इतना it will still cause problem because planet mature हुआ है, दशा अच्छी नहीं है. Something like that. I'm trying to say maturation is a secondary aspect. It has to be taken very clearly. अगर mature planet हो और उसकी दशा हो, तो increased productivity भी आ सकती है. लाइफ में चेंजेस आ सकते हैं. देयर आर दशा, सैटर्न की दशा इतनी लंबी होती है, 19 साल, 18 साल. उसके बीच में इफ सैटर्न मैच्योर्स, देन वी नो फॉर श्योर दैट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द रिजल्ट्स bang when Saturn comes. I had a case where somebody spoke to me and said, I'm having issues getting married. I'm meeting people, but the marriage is not working out. क्या हो रहा है? It's a boy, so we looked at the chart. It's Venus. Venus was mature in the Kundli, but at the same time, दशा नहीं आई. जब दशा आएगी, Venus आएगा and transit आता है, we know. So it's good. So for all listeners, remember, maturation is important. Planets will mature at a certain age. Jupiter 16 की एज पे, ये विजडम का प्लैनेट है. सन 22 के एज पे, मार्स 28, मून 24, Mercury 32, Venus 25, Saturn 36, Rahu approximately 42, and Ketu 49.
Mm-hmm.
You must know these numbers by heart. Otherwise, you're going to make mistakes when you're doing chart analysis. हम बात कर रहे हैं आज prediction की. And prediction के लिए you better know exactly what is happening. How you're supposed to read these rules. Otherwise, आप बहुत गलतियां करोगे. आप कहोगे कि हमारी दशा आ गई है, लेकिन कुछ हो नहीं रहा. Yes, I had a दशा. मुझे अच्छे स्कूल में एडमिशन का चांस था, बट हुआ नहीं. इंटर्नशिप मिली नहीं. जब प्लैनेट मैच्योर नहीं है, कहाँ मिलेगी? दशा हो कि नहीं हो. जब प्लैनेट मैच्योर होता है, दशा होती है, ट्रांजिट होता है, दैट इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी द बेस्ट.
सो दैट मीन्स अगर अच्छी दशा किसी ने बताया है या बुरी भी बताया है, सो इन बोथ द केसेस यू हैव टू लुक फॉर द मैच्योरिटी ऑफ द प्लैनेट फर्स्ट एंड देन बी हैप्पी और सैड अबाउट इट.
अगर आपकी लेट से केतु की दशा है विच यू आर सो वरिड अबाउट,
जी.
राइट,
हम्म.
लेकिन केतु की दशा में यू आर वरिड अबाउट योर जॉब, ओके,
हम्म.
बट केतु आपकी कुंडली में बहुत इमैच्योर है, मींस यू आर लेस देन 49, ही वोंट बी एबल टू डू मच हार्म, राइट. अगर यही कुंडली में गुड प्लैनेट लाइक जुपिटर इज ट्रांसिटिंग करियर, तो कुछ नहीं होगा. यू वोंट लूज योर जॉब. ऑन द फ्लिप साइड, इफ यू आर ओल्डर लाइक ओवर 49 एंड केतु की दशा चल रही है और केतु करियर के घर में बैठा है और उसके ऊपर केतु ट्रांजिट कर रहा है, chances are you will lose your job. He's going to pull it away from you. He's going to take it away. Okay? The
जी.
pulling away is not to take away, it is to teach you a lesson. How important it was for you. The things that you take for granted in life, वो कितनी important है. That's what Saturn does. He teaches you lessons.
Absolutely. That's what you always mention, that Saturn is the
Teaches
teacher.
you lessons. Teacher
जी.
है वो.
हम्म.
There is no escape. There is no कल कर लेंगे. Saturn means आज करना है करो. Otherwise you'll be punished for it. It's
Right.
like वो astrology में कर्म होते हैं. We cannot escape it. I feel like we have no control on this, but there is no way to escape. It is written. You don't do it, you will suffer. You do it, okay, good.
जी. So listeners, reminding you, we are halfway through the show. सुन रहे हैं आप the astrology show with Dr. Saket Bhatia, and today we are talking about Vedic astrology, the dasha, and how planets impact it. So do give us a call if you have related question or any other question about yourself or your loved ones. 510-770-1550. That's Studio Line's number. Studio lines are open. You can give us a call. For the next half an hour, we can take calls, as many as we can. 510-770-1550. And the website where you can visit and get all the information about Dr. Saket Bhatia is saketbhatia.com, his first and last name. Can we take few calls?
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Dr. Bhatia, thank you for taking my call.
Hi.
Hi, I was just calling in as a general question for the kids when they have exams. Is there any tips or remedies before the exam you would suggest to enhance their luck? I mean, they do well, they study, but is there anything else as parents we could do to, I don't know, for Vastu or some other tips that you may have able to share?
See, we always say in Vastu or astrology, you need to focus. Luck to hota hai,
Correct.
but kids need to focus. Sometimes you draw blank when there is an exam, right? So what are the planets of focus? Mercury, Mars, and Saturn. Mercury is intelligence, intellect, learning. Mars is drive and action, and Saturn is discipline, right? So what you need to do is you need to make all these three planets strong, right? Tino strong karoge, life is going to be better. But how do you make all three strong? It is very hard. So one easy remedy is the way children sleep at night. Generally, we require you to sleep so your head is facing the south. When you wake up, you're facing north. When you do that, that gives you better sleep, better energy, better efficiency. It makes you better in life, right? Other than that, we always tell people try waking up at sunrise or slightly before sunrise. Don't get up at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Try sleeping at a reasonable time. Try eating your dinner at least 3 hours before you sleep. Get some time in the sun. When kids do this, they spend time in the sun, at least 30 minutes walking, whatever. They get more energy in the brain. They're able to learn more, focus more. Unfortunately, we can't do
Okay.
anything for luck. But sleeping right,
Mm.
eating right, sleeping right is the only three things that will help them. And
Okay.
during exams and stuff, try eating a very balanced meal. More vegetarian
Okay.
if you're non-vegetarian.
Mm-hmm.
You need everything. You need your carbs, you need rice because that's good for brain. But those are important factors astrologically and Ayurveda wise that should help children in their exams. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So we had another caller and she wanted to take the question off air. It's regarding her husband, whose date of birth is April 15th, 1969. And birth time is not accurate. It's somewhere between 12:30 to 1:30 a.m. And the birthplace is Mulund in Mumbai.
So you said it is somewhere between, we'll take 1 o'clock, right?
Okay.
1 o'clock. And
1 a.m.
Mumbai,
then.
April 15th, 1969.
G. And he's
Whether it
looking.
is,
Sure.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
go ahead.
Whether it is 1 or 1:30 or 12:30, ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा इस कुंडली में.
Okay. So her question was regarding her husband's job. He has been looking and not getting a good option. So when will he get the job?
So just before this show, just before this question, we were talking about Ketu, na? कि
जी.
अगर Ketu mature है, तो this individual's Ketu is mature, correct?
Okay.
Ketu is already mature because he's more than 49. अब इनके 10th house, career house में Ketu बैठा है, right? And Ketu is actually in this kundli acting as Mercury. दशा चल रही है Venus Ketu की. Venus in this kundli represents 11th lord, जो खराब है. Ketu is acting like Mercury, which is 7th lord and 6th lord. I don't see him getting a job till November of this year. But November में something happens. November में Sun Dasha start होती है. Sun Dasha is actually very good for this person because Sun is very strong in this kundli. If he is trying to find a job now, he's wasting time. November 17 में जो दशा kick in होती है, that will be very beneficial for him. He needs to try after that. He will get a job. There is no second thought. He has to get a job. Sun Dasha, he should. 17 November 2025 is when it kicks in. Okay.
I hope you got your answer. If you have further questions, you can always reach out to Dr. Bhatia after the show directly by calling 408-639-5300. Again, listeners, सुन रहे हैं आप डॉक्टर साकेत भाटिया को लाइव ऑन रेडियो जिंदगी. यहाँ पर हम बात कर रहे हैं अबाउट प्लैनेट्स, अबाउट दशाज. अगर आपका कोई भी क्वेश्चन है अबाउट एस्ट्रोलॉजी, न्यूमरोलॉजी या वास्तु, जानना चाहते हैं अबाउट योर लव्ड वंस, अबाउट योर सेल्फ, you can give us a call. We have some time left in the show. We can take a couple of more calls. 510-770-1550. ये स्टूडियो लाइन का नंबर है. अभी कॉल कर सकते हैं फॉर अ क्विक क्वेश्चन. और डिटेल में बात करने के लिए यू कैन रीच आउट टू डॉक्टर भाटिया डायरेक्टली बाय कॉलिंग 408-639-5300 or you can write to him info@saketbhatia.com and the website is saketbhatia.com जहाँ जाकर आपको अपनी बर्थ डेट, टाइम और प्लेस एंटर करके अपनी कुंडली बनानी है, अपना बर्थ चार्ट बनाना है. और उसमें जो भी ना समझ आए उसके लिए यू कैन ऑलवेज कॉल हिम एंड कनेक्ट विद हिम. सो now can we start with guidelines for disposition of planets for each house?
Yes, this is important. It's very interesting.
जी.
And it will surprise you how astrology works. Astrology के rules क्या हैं? So here is a very simple rule. Let's talk about first house. Okay. You said disposition. Disposition means ownership. It means उसका जो lord है, जो उसका मालिक है. First house lord will always give good results. Okay. In fact, astrology में एक line है, wherever the first house lord is placed, that house is protected in your life. अगर आपका first house lord 7th में है, शादी नहीं टूटती. अगर 5th में है, बच्चे बहुत होंगे. 2nd में है, you will never be short of money. that was always going to be protected. Okay, first house lord अच्छा result देता है. अगर ये एक बुरा planet हो like Saturn, Mars, not Rahu, but Saturn, Mars or Sun, ये फिर भी अच्छा result दे सकता है. For it to give bad results, it needs to be a bad planet placed in a bad house, looked at by bad aspects. Only then he is going to give negative results. Happens but rare. Second house का lord. Second house तो पैसे का हो गया, right, Ritika? It's the house of money.
जी.
That house lord rules money. But surprisingly, जब उसकी दशा पढ़ते हैं हम, he is considered to be neutral. वो ना अच्छा रिजल्ट देता है ना बुरा रिजल्ट देता है. Neutral. When I say neutral, I mean whichever. So let's say Jupiter, if he owns the second house, okay, he's also going to own the fifth house, right, for a Scorpio ascendant. तो वो पांचवें घर का रिजल्ट देगा, सेकंड का नहीं देता, which is confusing. अगर आप Capricorn ascendant हो, then then Saturn owns your first and second house. In that case, it will give results of the first house, good results. Now, the ruler of the third house generally खराब होता है क्योंकि ये आठवें घर से आठवां है. तो ये जहां बैठता है या जहां देखता है अच्छा नहीं करता. छठा घर जो है, it is same as seventh house, same as 10th house. We want bad planets to own these houses. Because जब बुरे planets चौथा, सातवां या 10वें के लॉर्ड होते हैं, they actually start giving positive results.
Right.
जब अच्छे planets इस घर के लॉर्ड होते हैं, they start giving medium results. छठे घर का जो लॉर्ड है वो तो इंजरी देता है, डिफिकल्टी देता है, डिजीज देता है. तो अगर छठा लॉर्ड आपका फर्स्ट में है, यू हैव अ लाइफ ऑफ हेल्थ इश्यूज. ओके, अगर छठा आपके सेकंड में चला गया, नाउ डेट हैज गॉन इनटू मनी, you will always be in debts with some sort of money, or you will be constantly taking loan to expand your business or something, but loans will be a very big part of your life. आठवां घर is death, destruction. Iska lord is always negative. Okay, ninth house is actually the most luckiest house lord. Ninth, fifth will give good results at all times. 11th इनकम के लिए अच्छा होता है बट जनरली खराब है. एक शो में हमने कहा था कि एनी योग इन अ कुंडली कैन इजीली बी ब्रोकन इफ द 11th लॉर्ड इज सिटिंग विथ वन ऑफ दोस प्लैनेट्स और इट इज लुकिंग एट दोस प्लैनेट्स. आपका गज केसरी योग हो, आपका अखंड साम्राज्य योग हो, जो भी हो, if 11th lord is sitting, it can stall it, it can ruin it and destroy it. Now question somebody asked me is, अगर 9th lord की दशा हो और 11th lord की भी, 9th lord योग बनाता है, 11th योग बना रहा है and 11th is stalling, what happens? Well, जब 11th की दशा आएगी तब आपका योग रुकेगा, जब 11th की दशा जाएगी तो योग फिर स्टार्ट हो जाता है. एंड फाइनली 12th हाउस जो लॉस का घर है, एक्सपेंस का घर है, उसका भी जो लॉर्ड है, ही इज वेरी न्यूट्रल. He generally gives results of the other house you own. So those are some important rules astrologers should know, or we should know when we are reading your chart. Otherwise हम analysis नहीं कर सकते. These are what is required to give you correct answer. When you're calling on the show, these are going through our head automatically because ये जैसे क्या, what's the right word, ये अंदर घुस गया है दिमाग में. This is what we know, this is how it's going to be done.
जी. We have another caller. Can we quickly take a call?
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Bhatia.
नमस्ते डॉक्टर भाटिया जी.
Namaste, how are you?
गुड सर, थैंक यू फॉर टेकिंग द कॉल सर. एंड
No problem, बताइए.
सर, मेरा डेट ऑफ बर्थ है 4 जुलाई 1984.
Okay.
टाइम ऑफ बर्थ इज 12:25 AM. बेसिकली 3 से 4 की रात को 12:25 AM.
You said teen, अच्छा, so 12:25 AM, so 00:25, okay,
यस, मेरठ उत्तर प्रदेश.
okay. And how can I help you?
सर, मैं पिछले 6 साल से हेल्थ इश्यूज चल रहे हैं बहुत ज्यादा. डॉक्टर्स डायग्नोसिस नहीं हो पा रहा है ठीक से क्या है. तो मतलब फ्यू माइनर सर्जरीज भी गो थ्रू किया है, बट मेजर सर्जरीज आर नॉट रिकमेंडेड बाय डॉक्टर्स देमसेल्व्स. तो वो हेल्थ इश्यूज कब तक सॉर्ट होंगे, क्या है उनका? उसके चक्कर में फैमिली लाइफ भी थोड़ी डिस्टर्ब्ड है, जॉब भी थोड़ा डिस्टर्ब्ड है. I mean, I lost my job last year, but luckily I was able to get it back with a better profile. But I'm somehow not enjoying the job as such
Okay.
because the health issues continues forever, sort of stuff. Married life is very, very difficult. How
Okay.
how all those things, align together, and what are you seeing actually how to balance it out?
I think दो चीजें देखनी पड़ेंगी इसमें. One is your overall vitality body के, which is first house, and second we'll have to study sixth house. Both are important. We cannot just study one. बीमारियां तो सबको लगती हैं. As I'm talking on the show, we are also exposing ourselves to germs, COVID, whatever be the case. अगर body की immunity अच्छा हो, then you'll be fine. Now let's look at you. Your कुंडली में your Jupiter is in the 10th house, which is a very good placement. हमने कहा जब हाँ ascendant बैठता है, that house is protected, that is house of career. So ascendant lord is good. But first house पे aspect पर direct पड़ता है केतु का, and ketu is exalted. Ketu means I am going to make it difficult to diagnose. Okay. So number one, ketu
Okay.
is aspecting that house. Number two, जब 4 शो पहले हमने बात की थी, we said छठे घर में sun and moon should not be sitting there. Moon represents your mind. And आपका moon जो है वो छठे घर में आ गया है.
Okay.
उसका जो lord है sun, he has moved into family life, which is disease. That doesn't mean anything yet. But as we look at your Navam Kundli, हम देखते हैं कि sun is very strong, almost exalted. बीमारी तो है. And to make things worse for you, it will continue क्योंकि अब केतु ट्रांजिट में बीमारी के घर पे है. केतु is on your disease house. दशा चल रही है आपकी राहु मर्क्यूरी की. And Rahu and Mercury are not going to help you recover that fast. You will have to go through this till at least November of next year, November 2026. एक simple solution है, try making sun strong or try making ascendant strong. Try making Jupiter strong. Jupiter is yellow planet. Try going to a temple on a Thursday, donate something yellow. Yellow में चना दाल होती है, yellow में केले होते हैं, yellow में turmeric है, yellow में flowers, yellow, religious books. Try wearing a yellow sapphire. That might be very good for you. Those are good tidbits for you to make your ascendant strong. Okay. केतु बहुत strong है आपकी कुंडली में. That is another issue. Diagnosis is hard.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So, sir, between job and doing something of my own, what do you think? After 15 years of doing job, and getting laid off, I was actually exhausted, I should say. And now I'm just not enjoying it. Is that something recommended that I should move to try something of my own, or job is the right path to still continue?
I would say you need to continue in a job. You need to partner with somebody and start a side business. Do not jump into starting a full-time venture yet. It is
Okay.
not advisable. It is hard to explain on the show because time short hota hai. Go slow.
Okay.
That is what the Kundli is saying. If you like, come meet me. I'm always here. We can talk. We can explain you what is going on. Remember one thing, all this, I'm not happy with career and all is okay. Fix your health first. अगर health fix नहीं करोगे, आपको बहुत भारी पड़ेगा life में. Fix that. Okay?
Okay. Okay. Thank you
Take
so
care.
much, sir.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
We have another caller. Let's take another call. Hello,
Sure.
you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Hi, Dr. Saket Bhatia. Thank you for getting my call. Actually, it's not for my personal thing. It's something about my country. Can I have a kind of permission to ask that kind of question?
Yes, but I don't know if I can answer for a country. I can answer for a human. Country की astrology अलग हो जाती है. If you're asking how a country is going to do, there are different people, astrologers who do that. There are people who specialize in, cartography, where you have to live, where you have to move. There are people who specialize in elections, which is कौन सा कब करना चाहिए. I'm not qualified to
Okay, that's
do-
okay. That's what I have a doubt, but still I ask. I dare to ask. Anyway, thank you.
No worries. Thank you. देखिए, it is better for an astrologer to say I don't know as opposed to saying something. I specialize in astrology for individuals, not countries. I don't even do it for teams. You know, there are astrologers Vedika जो sports teams के लिए करते हैं, that do it for athletes. This is not something we can try it, but generally it's very difficult for us. We're not good at it. Okay.
जी। सो अभी हम लोग बात कर रहे थे डिस्पोजिशन ऑफ प्लैनेट्स के बारे में। सो व्हाट डज दिस ऑल लीड टू इज माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
ये इंटरेस्टिंग चीज है। अगर एक प्लैनेट थर्ड और एथ हाउस दोनों को ओन करता है, इट विल ऑलवेज गिव बैड रिजल्ट्स। इनफैक्ट इट इज द वर्स्ट प्लैनेट इन योर कुंडली जो थर्ड और एथ को दोनों ओन करता है। इट डजंट हैपन इन ऑल केसेस, हैपेंस इन सम केसेस। अगर मून और सन आठवें घर के मालिक हो, दे डोंट बिकम बैड एट ऑल, दे ओनली डैमेज योर पर्सनैलिटी मेडिकली। ओके। अगर आठवां लॉर्ड अगर एथ हाउस का जो ओनर है, अगर वो नाइन्थ का भी ओनर बन जाए, then he actually becomes very strong, right?
जी।
So imagine एथ अगर थर्ड का लॉर्ड हो वो खराब है, एथ सिक्स का लॉर्ड हो खराब है, एथ इलेवेंथ हो खराब है, एथ नाइन्थ हो वेरी गुड, एथ फिफ्थ हो वेरी गुड। ओके। सीक्वेंस में जाते हैं, जब दशा चलती है यू ऑलवेज गो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज फ्रॉम द असेंडेंट टू फिगर आउट विच हाउस विल गिव मोर दशा, एंड मूल त्रिकोण विल ऑलवेज गिव डबल कंपेयर टू द हाउस इट इज नॉट मूल त्रिकोण फॉर। अगर कोई प्लैनेट 1, 4, 7, 10, 5 और 9 इन घरों का मालिक हो, हैज टू गिव वेरी गुड रिजल्ट्स। इट इज कॉल्ड राजयोगा कारक, इट मीन्स राजयोग का कारक है ये, हैज टू गिव गुड रिजल्ट्स, राइट? अगर कोई प्लैनेट है विच इज ओनिंग ओनली 4, 7 और 10, तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल वर्गो असेंडेंट,
जी।
ओके, वर्गो असेंडेंट विच इज ओन्ड बाय मर्क्यूरी, or Gemini ascendant, Jupiter is owning only house number 7, 10 or 4, 7. It will fail to give positive results. Okay. इसका मतलब ये नहीं वो नेगेटिव देगा, वो पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट नहीं दे सकता वो। ऑन द अदर हैंड अगर नेगेटिव लॉर्ड ऐसा घर को ओन कर रहा है, he'll give positive results. Okay. Those are some important results or important things that we also should consider जब एस्ट्रोलॉजी में कुंडली पढ़ते हैं।
There was another caller, and she also had a question for her husband.
Okay.
His date of birth is 23rd September 1982, and time
Okay.
of birth is 5:34 p.m. in Bangalore.
Okay.
And the question was that although there is nothing major like wrong happening in the life, he's always stressed.
Ah.
So she wanted to know what is the cause and will it get better?
So let's understand again Vedika, September 23rd, 1982, 5:34 in Bangalore, Karnataka.
Yeah.
तो ये जो कुंडली बनती है, he is an Aquarius ascendant. Okay. इनका जो मून है ये करियर में बैठा है, बट इट सिट्स विद गलिका मंडी एंड मून इज डिबिलिटेटेड। हमने अभी तक कैंसिलेशन और डिबिलिटेशन की बात की नहीं है। सो दिस मून इज पार्शियली कैंसल्ड इन डिबिलिटेशन, बट अगर हम इसको स्टडी करें हम देखते हैं कि मून के ऊपर देयर इज अ डायरेक्ट ऑफ सैटर्न। सैटर्न इज स्ट्रेस, सैटर्न इज ट्रबल, सैटर्न इज प्रॉब्लम। मून बेचारा गली का मंडी के साथ बैठा है, उसके साथ मार्स बैठा है इन द हाउस ऑफ करियर, एंड Saturn is sitting aspecting, so we call this self-inflicted stress which is you are causing your own stress. There is nothing causing it, you are causing it. Why is he doing this? I don't know, but if you look at the kundali, moon की दशा start होती है 2030 में, okay? And many astrologers would say that will be a problem, but debilitated moon as lord of sixth will not give issue. Your husband will remain this way. It is okay. It is what ticks him. It is what goes. Let him be there. वैसे ही रहेंगे, He needs to learn to cheer up. Moon is not bad, moon is good here. He has a good Jupiter on one side and unfortunately Ketu on the other. The question is open ended, so answer यही रहेगा कि self inflicted है. There is nothing else. It is related to career and money. Saturn aspects money and Saturn aspects moon, which rules career in this case.
आई होप यू गॉट योर आंसर। और अगर आप ज़्यादा जानकारी चाहते हैं इस क्वेश्चन के बारे में या कुछ और पूछना चाहते हैं, डायरेक्ट कॉल कीजिए 4086395300। दैट्स डॉक्टर साकेत भाटिया's नंबर। info@saketbhatia.com is where you can write to him if you have any particular question. saketbhatia.com वेबसाइट जिसके थ्रू आपको सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगी हाउ एंड वेयर टू कनेक्ट विद हिम। सो अभी सुन रहे हैं आप द एस्ट्रोलॉजी शो विद डॉक्टर साकेत भाटिया, और every Tuesday between 4 to 5 p.m. He connects with us live, and we are giving this opportunity to, I think, maybe one more caller because we have a couple of minutes left. If you have any question, आप अभी भी कॉल कर सकते हैं 5107701550. That's the number to the studio line. So can you explain the dasha results according to the planetary positions?
अगर कोई planet है जो फर्स्ट, फोर्थ, सेवन्थ, फिफ्थ, नाइन्थ या टेंथ में बैठा है, उसकी दशा अच्छी जाएगी.
Mm-hmm.
डजेंट मैटर व्हाट, दशा अच्छी जाएगी. अगर प्लैनेट छठे, आठवें, बारहवें में है, उसकी दशा डिफिकल्ट जाएगी. लेकिन अगर वो छठा, आठवां, बारहवां घर का जो लॉर्ड है, इफ इट हैज प्लैनेट, इफ इट हैज सम कनेक्शन, वेदर इट इज सिटिंग विद कंजंक्ट और ओन्स एनीथिंग टू डू विद कोना लॉर्ड विच इज 5 और 7, तो दशा बहुत अच्छी जाती है उसकी. इट विल फ्लिप. कोना मीन्स 5-7, not 1.
Okay.
Sorry, 5-9, not 1.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. अगर 3, 6, 11 में कोई बुरे प्लैनेट्स प्लेस्ड हो तो उनकी दशा खराब नहीं जाएगी. बुरा प्लैनेट रिजल्ट बुरा नहीं देगा, अच्छा प्लैनेट इनफैक्ट खराब रिजल्ट देगा. सबसे अच्छी दशा होती है व्हेन देयर इज ए दशा ऑफ अ प्लैनेट दैट ओन्स बोथ अ केंद्र एंड अ कोन. राजयोग वाली दशा है ये. इट इज ऑलवेज वेरी गुड. एंड फाइनली, अगर प्लैनेट दूसरे या सातवें घर में बैठा हो या उनका लॉर्ड हो, then it is called Markesh, which means it has the ability to cause health problems. And if timing is right, it can cause death. So second, seventh अगर आठवें के साथ कहीं जुड़ जाए, that is a potential problem. Okay.
सो अभी एक आपने बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग नाम लिया था, कैंसिलेशन ऑफ डेबिलिटेशन. सो आई एम रियली क्यूरियस, व्हाट इज इट?
See, astrology में planets ऊंच के हो सकते हैं, planets नीच के हो सकते हैं, right?
जी.
So if ऊंच simply means a planet is very, very strong for good or bad. It is experiencing a lot of power. You are now not living, you're not in the studio, but you're at Times Square. You are living in a penthouse, you have the best clothes, the best food, you have nothing to worry. That's what an exalted planet is. A debilitated planet means I am out of shape. I am not supposed to be doing this. A planet which is very weak, it has no support from any external factors. That is what debilitation means. Now think, exalted planet की दशा कैसी जाती है? जनरली अच्छी जाएगी, राइट?
राइट.
बट अगर आपकी कुंडली में शनि खराब प्लैनेट है, ही इज लॉर्ड ऑफ डेथ, एंड ये एक्सॉल्टेड है, तो उसकी दशा अच्छी नहीं जाएगी ना.
राइट.
अगर बीमारी है, 6 लॉर्ड है सैटर्न, एंड ही इज एक्सॉल्टेड, वो तो बीमारी प्रमोट करेगा, फिर
बढ़ाएगा जो भी.
बढ़ाएगा. So you want that planet to have slightly less weakness. But अगर weak
लाइक
ज़्यादा हो
नेगेटिव
जाएगा तो
इफेक्ट,
yeah, negative effect.
देन इट विल लोअर द इफेक्ट ऑफ दैट.
So here in astrology there are rules which say a planet which is debilitated, मतलब नीच का, उसकी हम नीच कैंसिल कर सकते हैं.
ओके.
उसकी नीच कैंसिल करके that planet can actually become as good or stronger than even an exalted planet. So first rule is simple. We first look at the planet in the Kundali and we look in the D9 chart. अगर D9 chart में planet strong है तो काफ़ी हद तक कैंसिल हो जाता है. You work hard, कैंसिल हो जाएगा. But we are talking something different. We are talking how does नीच cancel. So let's understand that. अगर इस कुंडली में नीच के प्लैनेट के साथ ऊंच का प्लैनेट साथ में बैठ जाए कोई घर में, तो it gets cancelled. So if an exalted planet is sitting with a debilitated planet in the same house, the debilitation is cancelled. Rule number 1.
So, but then
Rule
the debilitate, then the opposite effect will also be there, right? That the exalted planet will also like lose some positivity.
and that was the last line in this paragraph. That
Ji.
yes, you're right. ये जो rules हैं, they are also cancellation of exaltation also.
Exaltation. Okay.
So a planet which is debilitated, when it sits with an exalted planet, it will cancel, and so
Mhm.
will the exalted. Next,
Okay. Mhm.
if an exalted planet, right? So next is the lord of the sign. मतलब जिस घर में ये debilitated planet बैठा हो, अगर उसका lord exalted हो, it gets cancelled. Next, if this lord of that planet is placed in house number 1, 4, 7, 10 or 1, 4, 7, 10 away from the moon, it is cancelled.
Okay.
If the lord of that house is aspecting that house, it is cancelled.
Okay.
If a planet which would be exalted in that house, okay, is at an angle from the moon with 1, 4, 7, 10 from moon, or in houses 1, 4, 7, 10, that exaltation gets cancelled. So explain it again. A debilitated planet sitting with an exalted planet, cancelled.
Mhm.
If the lord of that sign is exalted, it is cancelled.
Right.
If the lord is at an angle from ascendant or moon, cancelled.
Cancelled.
Okay.
Mhm.
If the planet which would be exalted is aspecting that, then it is cancelled. And if the lord aspects that house, it is cancelled. So there are many ways to cancel debilitation. But other way around भी चलता है ना. Exaltation भी cancel होता है, and people don't
Right.
realize that.
Hmm.
That's why many people on this show have come and said कि हमारा Venus तो ऊंच का है, अभी तक कुछ हुआ क्यों नहीं? Look carefully, it is cancelled. Now,
जी.
one rule that is applies is a planet which is in exaltation or which is very strong in its own house remains strong even if it is debilitated in the Navamsh. Debilitation के लिए D9 chart भी देखनी पड़ती है, D60 chart भी देखनी पड़ती है. These are called the Navamsh and the overall strength chart of the Kundali. This is what I wanted to talk about prediction. We have to look at this. So when listeners are calling, we are doing these things. We are trying to see कौन सा planet mature है, दशा क्या है, ascendant कौन है उसका, कुछ cancellation है कि नहीं है. And then
जी.
you can make a judgment. Otherwise you can't.
Sure. बट आपने जितनी बातें बताई ऑफ कोर्स वी जस्ट अंडरस्टूड सम ऑफ इट एंड आई एम सर्टेन जब वेबसाइट पे जाएंगे sakitbhatia.com और हम खुद अपनी कुंडली बनाएंगे बाय एंटरिंग आवर डिटेल्स देन वील अंडरस्टैंड थिंग्स बेटर एंड लिसनर्स यू कैन ऑलवेज गो बैक टू आवर फेसबुक अकाउंट रेडियो ज़िंदगी फेसबुक पेज वहाँ जाकर आप पुराने वीडियोस देख सकते हैं एंड इफ़ यू आर मेकिंग योर बर्थ चार्ट यू कैन सी इफ़ इट अप्लाइज टू यू और नॉट एंड इफ़ इट डज व्हाट डज इट मीन उसके लिए you can always connect with Dr. Sakit Bhatia directly by calling 408-639-5300 या फिर आप info@sakitbhatia पे info@sakitbhatia.com पे you can go and write to him. With that, we are at the end of our show. Thank you so much for joining us on air today.
Thank you, Vedika. We'll connect again next Tuesday. Have fun. To all the listeners, have a good week ahead. Bye-bye.